Welcome to Sajal Technical Classes. Today's topic is Switchgear and Protection MCQs SET-3. First question. The operating time of an instantaneous relay is option A 0.001 second, option B 0.01 second, option C 0.1 second, and option D 1 second. Right answer option C 0.1 second. Question number 2. A fuse wire possesses option A direct time characteristics, option B inverse time characteristics, option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. Option B is the right answer, inverse time characteristics. Question number 3. Under voltage relays are mostly used for dash. Option A transformer protection, option B bus bar protection, option C motor protection, and option D feeder protection. Right answer option C motor protection. Question number 4. The use of high-speed circuit breakers. Option A reduces the short circuit current. Option B improves the system stability. Option C decreases the system stability, and option D increases the short circuit current. Correct answer option B improves the system stability. Question number 5. Thermal relays are commonly used in option A motor stators, option B generator protection, option C transformer protection, and option D feeder protection. Correct answer option A motor stators. Next question. What is the major cause of the failure of the circuit breaker? Option A trip circuit open, option B trip latch defective, option C spring defective, and option D all of the above. Right answer option D all of the above. Next question. Impedance relay can be used for option A phase faults only, option B earth faults only, option C both earth and phase faults, and option D none of the above. Right answer option C both earth and phase faults. Question number 8. A lightning arrestor is usually located nearer to option A bus bar, option B transformer, option C circuit breaker, and option D isolator. Right answer option B transformer. Question number 9. Which of the following relays has inherent reactional characteristic? Option A, Moore relay. Option B, reactance relay. Option C, impedance relay. And option D, differential relay. Option A is the correct answer, Moore relay. Last question. Making capacity of a circuit breaker is equal to option A, 2.55 times symmetrical breaking current. Option B, 1.5 times symmetrical breaking current. Option C, √2 times symmetrical breaking current. And option D, symmetrical breaking current. Right answer, option A, 2.55 times symmetrical breaking current.